Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to register your account on Waze, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app, then click on the three lines at the top left corner, then click on the view profile. And now I'm on guest Wazer mode, but if I want to register my account, I have to click on the register this account option. So it says that to register this account so you can recover your info and access your safe places, points and more from any device. So it means that, for example, if you change your phone or you want to log in another device, you can do that, and all your information, all your searches, everything will be there. So you can do that if you click on the register this account option. And now you can continue with your Google account or with any other email address. So it says that you will be able to easily sign into your account with that email. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.